Hello, my name's Marketa Krajčovičova and I'm the owner of Miss Cake. I make birthday, corporate or wedding cakes to order. When I was setting up my confectionery business, I wanted to make sure that it was all secure and under control. And that's where Jablotron helped me. Thanks to the outdoor cameras, I can see what's going on around the house. The interior is guarded by motion detectors, and if by chance I forget something in the oven, the smoke detector will alert me. Jablotron also helps me with my work. I always buy the best quality ingredients and I need to keep them at a certain temperature. That's why I have thermometers in the fridges and use the My Jablotron app. If the temperature in the fridge changes, the system will alert me. I get a notification and I can resolve the problem immediately. When I've baked all the cakes, I like to go out into the countryside and not have to wait at home for customers to come for them. Hello, Marketa here.
Hello, it's Dvorak.
I came to pick up the cake for our party, but I seem to be here a bit early.
It doesn't matter, I'm not at home right now, but I'll open the door for you. The cake is in the fridge on your left. Just please close the door when you leave.
Thanks, bye.